Hey guys, Lona here. This is yet again a school project, so yeah. This time it's for my cooking class. Yes, I take a cooking class. Anyways, I'm supposed to research a fruit or vegetable and make a presentation on it. So here we go. I've decided to research the coconut, since I'm on a desert island with just a palm tree for company. Anyways, here's a coconut. It's brown and furry. And if we chop it open, machete! Ta-da! Open coconut. Inside is some coconut water. I really should have seen that coming. Anyways, there's coconut water inside. Surrounding that is the flesh. Did you know that that's actually that coconut water? And then on the outside are the three eyes. Just a little FYI, this isn't a bowling ball. So, some facts. The coconut isn't actually a nut. It's a drupe. Drupes are fruits like peaches and mangoes. It's unknown when or where people started eating coconuts. It's a year-round fruit. It's never out of season. It grows on palm trees, and actually, here's a palm tree fact. Other things grow on palm trees, like dates. And our final fact, the origin of the coconut. The name, not the actual fruit. It's called a coconut because its three eyes reminded Portuguese sailors of a coco, a witch or ghost. Spooky. Now for boring stuff. Nutrient information. A coconut has 60 grams of carbohydrates. Carbs are your main source of energy. Protein helps build and repair tissues. No, not the ones you blow your nose with. There's 13 grams of protein in the coconut. There's also fiber, 36 grams of it, which can help prevent things like heart disease and diabetes. The 79 milligrams of sodium help balance out water and electrolytes in your body. There's 1,413 milligrams of potassium in the coconut, 40% of what you should have in a day. Who needs potatoes when you have coconuts? Anyways, potassium helps maintain a normal blood pressure. Then there's fat, 133 grams of it. Fat helps keep you warm and also helps you absorb certain vitamins. Talking of vitamins, there's 5 in coconuts. Well, some are minerals. Vitamin C, calcium, iron, vitamin B6, and magnesium. Vitamins do a lot. Shore up bones, heal wounds, and boost your immune system. Did you know that one coconut can count for 53% of your daily iron intake? That's a lot of iron. Like, why are we mining iron when we can grow it? Now, how do you tell which coconut to buy? Well, firstly, shake it. You should hear a sloshing sound from inside. The more sloshing, the fresher. Secondly, check the eyes. One is thinner, so mold is more likely to appear there. Talking of mold, you should check for mold, cracks, and wet areas, if you know what I mean. Oh, wait. This is supposed to be a kid-friendly channel. One last indication of which coconut to buy is weight. The heavier, the fresher. So, how does one store a coconut? Well, you can leave it uncracked in a room temperature room for up to 4 months, or the crisping bin in your refrigerator for up to 1 week. So how does one use a coconut for eating purposes? Well, first, we're gonna want to chop this open. You probably shouldn't use a machete like I did. You'll split your counter in half. Instead, take a cleaver, big choppy knife. Take your coconut and tap it firmly with the dull side of the cleaver. Don't chop it open, tap it with the dull side. Rotate the coconut slightly and repeat. Keep doing this until it's open. Drain the coconut water into a bowl. Take the two halves of the coconut and stick them in a 400-degree Fahrenheit oven for 20 minutes. When you take them out, use a flathead screwdriver to pry the meat out of the shell. Now, there's a few different things you can do. For one, you can strain that coconut water and drink it. You can take the meat, cut it into thin strips, and put it in a 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for 12 to 18 minutes to get some toasted coconut strips. Or, you could Google how to make stuff with coconut. Here's what I found when I searched recipes using coconut. Curried coconut chicken, coconut macaroons, granola bars, coconut shrimp, chewy coconut cookies. Ugh, chewy cookies? Yuck. Old-fashioned coconut cream pie, Thai coconut soup, coconut poke cake, coconut curry tofu. The list goes on. You get the idea. Well, that's that. The end. I've done what I need to. Enjoy your coconuts.